Welcome back to A Little House in the Country. This week on the farm, we're living in what I like to call fake spring. Everything is blooming, the trees are budding, birds singing, and for a minute it feels like winter's behind us. But we do have a brutal week of 20-degree temps on its way, so we shall see. Meanwhile, Mike tackled a major project, rebuilding our deck after discovering rotting support beams underneath. It was worse than we thought, but he's bringing it back stronger than ever. If you stick around to the end, we have a big update on Victoria, her follow-up visit at the vet, and her very first ride in our brand new trailer. And just like that, we have green grass again, and we are in the middle of our fake spring. Tonight, it's supposed to drop again to the low 30s. And we're gonna have a couple days this coming week in the 20s. So even though the horses are currently enjoying the green grass, it might be brown again by next weekend. So we're just gonna enjoy this little warm snap while we can. It's been absolutely gorgeous, minus today's definitely a little cloudy because of the oncoming front, and it rained last night. But we're very busy spring cleaning and trying to get some of the projects that have been on our to-do list completed before it gets really hot. So stay tuned for Mike checking off the things on his honey-do list. Can we redo the railing too? Hold on, make that face for the camera.
You're lucky it's on camera. I didn't fall for it this time. I'm leveling out this beam. I've got to level, make sure it's straight and support it because there was no supports under it. So when the center beam joist rotted, it twisted this and brought it down. So I'm just making it nice and level.
Dogwoods are getting ready to start popping out. Oh, so excited. So Mike has prepped the deck. He's gotten it all really sturdy and level. And today we're heading out to go get the deck boards to start laying them across. We've discussed it. We're also going to change the railing. Not sure when. We'll probably do it soon, but it's not of high priority at the moment. But the deck was definitely sagging and needed to get this taken care of ASAP. You know, because spring and summer are around the corner and we need the deck. All this wood, all this deck wood. One of the things Mike wanted me to share with you all that he found very enlightening when he was doing his research on YouTube University about redoing the deck is that the deck boards do not require spacers because they are pressure treated wood. And as the solution that's sprayed on the wood, the pressure treatment, starts to evaporate, the boards actually shrink slightly. So there's no need to put spacers in between each board because as time goes on, the boards shrink a little bit and give them the space that they need. The other thing we found out is that we cannot paint the boards immediately. We have to wait about 6 to 8 weeks to let the saturation of the pressure treatment really soak into the wood. So we'll be painting in the future, but gotta wait for it to dry. Victoria's vet visit was a huge success. We hauled her in for new x-rays and to have her clogs replaced, and she handled the trip like a pro. The best part, she's down 200 pounds, and the vet said she's doing even better than expected. So her laminitis is at bay for the moment. She was so pleased with Victoria's project that she officially took her off pain meds. Now she's only on her Horsey Ozempic, and we could not be more excited. Seeing her healthy and more comfortable and moving in the right direction feels like such a victory for us. We're so happy she's doing better.